Hello and welcome back to our channel. I am Suparna and you are with us in third day of our Amsterdam trip. Today we are covering Zaanse Schans and Adam Lookout. Zaanse Schans is a neighborhood in the Dutch town of Zaandam near Amsterdam. To go there, first we took metro to reach from the hotel to Amsterdam Central, and from Amsterdam Central we took a direct bus to Zaanse Schans. To get more information about metro station, public transport and our stay, reach out our Amsterdam day 1 and day 2 trip video. Welcome to Zaanse Schans, a charming Dutch village famous for its historic windmills and traditional wooden houses. Just outside Amsterdam, it's like a stepping back in time to experience the Netherlands of the 18th century. It was a great experience to explore walking windmills, cheese making, and the art of wooden clocks, all in one beautiful spot. Here we are inside cheese workshop. Here we tested different type of traditional Dutch cheese. We saw lot of varieties of cheese what you can taste and also buy. A windmill is a structure that uses the power of the wind to turn large blades, traditionally used to grind grain, pump water, or produce energy. In the Netherlands, they have become iconic symbols of history and innovation. Today it's a very windy day, but still we can see lot of tourists around. Here you can see some of their old houses. All of them are now converted into either restaurants or shops. If you are in Amsterdam, don't forget to try Dutch traditional stroopwafel and cheeseball. Those are really amazing. And these are traditional Dutch wooden shoes, which are called clog. Now we are going inside Wooden Shoes Museum. You can experience here everything free. There is no entry fee in any places. The Clog Museum at Zaanse Schans take us inside the world of traditional Dutch wooden shoes. All the detailing on the clog you can see all are handmade. And here is the diamond clog. Isn't it super interesting? Here you can find all kinds of clogs from the traditional old time to the modern time. Here a lot of people are waiting for a demonstration on how these traditional clocks are made by using wood in the old days.
And west. That makes it very easy to work. So traditionally these wood.
He showed us how they used to make clock by hand as well as now how they can create it with machine. There are 1,000 varieties of clocks and souvenirs that you can buy from here. Now after finishing a nice trip to Zaanse Schans, we are heading towards Amsterdam Lookout. Amsterdam Lookout is located at the heart of the city, that is Amsterdam Central. From Amsterdam Central Station, one can take the ferry to reach the Amsterdam Lookout. The ferry takes only 5 minutes. The swing you can see at the top of the roof, that is Europe's highest swing. Have you dared hop on over the edge, Europe's highest swing? I am super duper excited to try it. Let's see if I can make it. You can purchase ticket online from Amsterdam Lookout website. The ticket include funny picture of you and your family over the edge. These are our pictures. We click there. This lift is taking us to the 20th floor of this building, where lot of exciting activities are available. We experience VR games and 360-degree mesmerizing view of Amsterdam city. Now came the most exciting part. We are on 21st floor of this building at the rooftop. The swing is perched about 100 meters above the ground, making it Europe's highest swing. And finally we dared to do it. It was an amazing experience. Swinging time is approximately 60 seconds. After your ride, you can get amazing video and photos from Amsterdam Lookout office. After the swing, we enjoyed more VR games and then we came back to Amsterdam Central. We choose a Chinese restaurant for dinner. It was very calm and soothing walking side by the canal. Third day of our Amsterdam trip, we covered Zaanse Schans, Amsterdam Lookout and city hopping. If you find our video informative, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. See you in our fourth and last day of our Amsterdam trip. Till then, take care and bye bye.